1, 2, out drop. Okay, so Scott Dunn tells me that this is going to be crowd participation. Crowd participation. So you guys are going to help me tell Todd when to pull the lever and drop this truck. Okay? So we're going to hook it up now.
Can we get the video box?
This is one of my favorite air show acts, it really is. I mean, we have a lot of great air show acts, but dropping the truck, it's kind of cool. You know, these guys are the ones that do the lifting on air conditioners and on top of buildings.
Yeah, that's really cool. Why would you do that downtown Chicago almost any given day?
Yeah.
They're out there working.
Yeah, and Todd was telling me that they can't drop anything. They can't drop the air conditioner, right?
They better not.
You know, so when I call and say, hey, you guys gonna drop something at the air show? He's like, oh, count me in. He's pulling the pitch right now. He's checking the weight. Okay, so he's got scales in the helicopter, okay? He has scales, and he can lift 5,000 pounds. So he's getting that light on the wheels. Dominic's checking those straps, doing the final checks, and once Dominic gives him the okay, he'll pull the collective more, and get the truck light. Okay, he's now measuring the weight. Okay? So if he feels like it's under 5,000 pounds, he will proceed. Oh boy, here goes
Scott did come down and take a nap in the truck this afternoon, didn't he?
Here goes Scott Dunn's truck. And I asked Todd, I said, hey, can you and it looks like that's what he's doing. So that truck would be 5,000 pounds or just slightly less. All right, let's plan, Scott. So what's he going to start at? Should we go to 500 feet initially?
What do you think, folks? Should we go for, what do you think?
Well, let's take a look at 500 feet.
500?
Okay, let's take a look at 500.
Looks like.
So he's going through about 200 right now. Okay, he's going through 200 feet now.
I assume it's truck that's at 200 or is it the helicopter?
So I'm thinking the truck's probably at 200 right now.
I think there's some people down at the right end zone that are trying to get into the show today that were wishing the helicopter could give them a ride.
Okay, so the helicopter's at 500 feet right now. And as he makes the turn, the truck's going to swing out. Keep that in mind. There goes the truck. It's swinging out in that right turn. And now as he goes level with the helicopter, the truck will now come directly underneath him and come down the runway. Hey, is this high enough, guys? You want to go higher?
Oh, we got to go higher.
You want to go higher? All right, Scott, jump and go higher. Let's try 1,000. Let's try 1,000. Okay, let's try 1,000 feet. See what that looks like. That truck was near as big as it did earlier. That's kind of cool, isn't it? All right, so you got to climb into 1,000? Okay. Great. That's the pass. Higher? Can you go higher? Can you go higher? Really? Can you go higher? Okay.
Hey, he's going to be up to like upper down the John Gage.
We haven't gone that high before. Okay, 1,500? Okay, all right. All right, we're going to 1,500 feet. All right, he's in the climb to 1,500 feet, and he's going to be headed out to the drop zone. That truck looks so small. Okay. You just tell me. Okay, tell me when you're ready. All right, audience. When it's time, we're going to do a countdown. Okay, we'll start at 5. The truck's falling off. Something fell off the truck. Oh my goodness. All right, let me know when he's overhead.
Did Aston drop?
Yeah.
Come on, dude.
So.
Man, this guy is good. This is Todd from Midwest Helicopter. He's got an X down below him. He's got to look so small right now. All right, we're standing by. Coming over the X. Again, this guy, he sits here on top of the rope. Okay, he's over target.
Audience, 5, 4, 3, 2, drop it.
Here it goes. It's dropping. Hang on. Here it goes. Oh my goodness. It's flat. Here we go. Now. Oh. That's American Freedom Fest right there. It's so crazy. Wow. All right.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next voice you hear will be your Piper demonstration team.
Could you even use like church
Oh, Jay. Perfect. So we ready to go. Like you. Yeah. Not for me, dude. No, we just worked in the boss. Yeah.